Hi, welcome. Nice to see you again. In this video, we are going to look into another maths topical solution. The topic we're going to look at is logarithmic and exponential functions. This question is taken from Winter 2014, paper 2-1, and it is in question 3. Let's take a look at the question. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Log base 2 x plus 3 equals 2 plus log base 2 y. The second equation, log base 2 x plus y equals to 3. And you notice there's the constant in both equations. The first one got constant 2, and the second equation got constant 3. Yes, you got it right. We can do something about the constant and insert a logarithmic component into it. Yes, you got it right. We're going to use the logarithm rule when log of the same base to the same inside will equals to 1. Let's launch and take a look at how it's done. All right. First and foremost, do not panic when you see so many lines I've listed down there. Well, all of those lines is just simply because I take one step at a time so that when you look at that, hopefully to see the individual steps that we can look at. By the time you get a hang of it, you actually can skip some of those steps, all right? So now, here we go. First and foremost, let's rearrange the two equations respectively. Let's start with the green equation, the one that I put in equation 1. Okay, so as you mentioned just now, let's do something about the constant 2 by putting in some logarithmic component. Here we go. This is where we put in the log base 2. By doing that, we know and what we learned from our logarithm rule that this thing is going to equals to 1. Therefore, 2 times 1, it comes to the same value. We do not temper or change any part of the equation. All right, so by doing that, so the next step what we do is we use the power law, taking the 2 going up here, and that is exactly what we do here. And then after that, I just square up the 2 square to get 4. And the next step is we are going to use multiplication rule. Yup, that's right. Here, as you have the addition here, we use the multiplication rule to convert that into 4 times y. All right, so now we notice at both sides of the equations, both of them are single logarithm. Okay, so now we can cancel out the log base 2 and compare only the insides of the equation. Therefore, this is how we cancel out and we left only x plus 3 equals to 4y, and we name them equation 3. Okay, then we go to rearrange equation 2. We do pretty much exactly the same idea as you see here. From the constant of 3, what we do is we just multiply with a 1 that is represented by log 2. And the same thing, we reverse the power law. The 3 we bring to the front to form 2 to the power 3 and get the 2 power 3 into 8. Then we notice the same thing happens here. Both sides of the equation carries only single logarithm, and you can cancel out the log because you no longer have to compare them. They are on the same basis. Now you left for yourself a really simple linear equation x plus y equals to 8, and let's name them as equation 4. Now we proceed simply solving the simultaneous equation. All right, so from here onwards, you can actually pick and choose your own favorite methods or ways of solving the simultaneous equation. You can choose the elimination method, or you can choose the substitution method. All right, in other words, you do not have to be exactly as what I have chosen to do it here. All right, so and then when you look at here, so what I do here is I eliminate the x first, okay, by minusing equation 3 and 4. Then I got, then solving on, that's where I got y equals to 2.2. And the next thing, yes, you have just say that, substitute y equals to 2.2 and all the way solving for the x, and you got x equals to 5.8. Well, that's it. You got the answer, and you have managed to solve the simultaneous equation, concluding at x equals to 5.8, y equals to 2.2. You have done a great job, and 5 marks allocated for these questions are all secured for you. Okay, that's the end of this video. All right, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe and like this video, as it is helping to your learning, and share this around with your friends, that together we will enjoy our learning and progressing towards excellence together. All right, so looking forward to see you again in my next video. Bye.